Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's video gonna be very interesting, as I will show you how to install fonts on Windows 10 PC. I also show you to confirm the installed fonts by using it in any design project. So without any further ado, let's get started together. Go to Start menu, and from here select the Settings option. Once you are in the settings of your computer, select the personalization, and then fonts. Here are numerous options available to install any font. You can drag and drop fonts, also there are many pre-installed Windows 10 fonts. And you can also get one directly from Microsoft Store. So in the first step I will show you how to install font from Microsoft Store. Many free fonts available to choose from. For example, I select and install Gil Sans Nova font. Click on Install button, and as you can see the font is installed. Now I will head over to Photoshop and confirm the font, if it properly installed and showing or not. In Photoshop, create a new file and type some text in it. Select the whole text and just type Gil Sans Nova in font search options. As you can see, the whole family of recently installed font is showing up, and we can use any of them in our projects. In the next step, I will let you know how to download fonts from Google Fonts. So type and search Google Fonts and open the first result. Here are many fonts available. So I will specify my search to get the desired font. I select one of many available fonts. Click on Download button to get the zip file. Extract the zip file and select the whole or few of them. Now you only need to drag and drop the font right here. Now I will confirm the installed fonts in Adobe Photoshop. In order to apply the newly installed font on the text, select the text and type the name of the font you just installed.